Hey, what's up guys? Platinum and I'm here, and I'm showcasing the BlackWeb Gaming keyboard. I just recently got it, just like 5 hours ago. It cost $40, I got it from Walmart. I'm not sure how much it is at other stores. So yeah, let's hop right into it. So as you see, it's a pretty large keyboard. It has some details on it. I think it's pretty cool, and it has Windows lock, so when you're playing a game and you enable Windows lock, you don't accidentally press the Windows button and it pops up in your game. It allows you to shift between 3 different colors. You can enable, you can edit the brightness. Yeah, it's just like any standard keyboard, except it's way comfortable for your hands for WASD. And it's pretty, doesn't take that much to press down the keyboard. Barely pressing at all, and it's going down. But yeah, overall it's pretty good feeling, tight, and looks. Let's wait until the lights come on. Alright, so I'm just plugging it on right now. Just connected to my cheap little setup. Alright, so now it's turned on. So yeah, let's change the colors. So all I'm doing is just pressing this. You can change between red, green, and then yellow. It's hard to see in my cheap little camera. Kind of looks like green or something. But yeah, if you put on FN and then the button, makes it so it's like waking up. Or like it's just like turning on different colors. And it has this sleep mode. So when you're not touching it, it just turns off the lights. And it has this like metal details on the sides. It comes with plastic on it. I already took them off. Yeah, this thing is pretty nice. It's pretty long too. It's my cheap little mouse. I'm looking into get BlackWeb Gaming mouse or a Razer mouse. Here's my mouse pad. So yeah, that's that. I think it's really way better than my improvement when I came from. Where is it at? Came from this to that. This thing is a lot better than this. It's a lot better because you don't accidentally press crap when you're playing. It also has any regular number keyboard like any other computer. Yeah, you can see the things right now. Hold on, let me focus on it. I'm not sure if you can see that good. It says game, the first, num lock and caps lock and scroll. So yeah, slice that blue, caps lock. There's game mode. It's just FN and the Windows lock, and it goes off. So yeah, and then scroll lock enabled. It's just self-explanatory. Num lock, that's a self-explanatory too. Yeah, it's pretty much all of them. And then where the heck is num lock and then caps lock. So yeah, this thing is pretty sweet. It's not really cheap. It's not one of the cheap gaming types. Alright, hold on. Let me disconnect it really quick. I have this rig, so it's just connected to multiple USBs for my mouse. My mouse I have is really cheap right now. So yeah. And it's actually like pretty nice. So yeah, I guess that's it. I think, oh yeah, there's that. It comes in this box. This thing is pretty big. Backlight is just a lighting feature, an ergonomic design for your hands. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention something, that its cables are actually like braided or something, like Scouts would have it. So that would last for a while. So yeah, like it says right there, double braided USB cable. Flip it to the back. There it is there. Now let's open it. So yeah, all it comes in is just this, and then some comes in that, and this plastic bag for it. And also comes with this manual, BlackWeb Gaming keyboard. So yeah, it shows all instructions right here and what you can do with it. So yeah, overall, I think this is a pretty good keyboard out of what I've had. I haven't had that many keyboards, so I don't know about you guys, but yeah, I'd rate it like a 9 or 10 out of 10. I know there are better ones out there, but yeah, I just haven't quite experienced those yet. So yeah, I think that's it. I think I'll catch you guys in the next video.